Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Have MetaMask or Wallet Connect ready and your app wired to a Web3 library. First, create or unlock the wallet and confirm the seed phrase is backed up offline. This prevents losing access. Next, add the Connect button to your page and import ethers. JS or Web3. JS. Once done, initialize a provider instance but do not request accounts yet. Set up clear UI states for disconnected, connecting, and connected to guide the user. You trigger the connection when the user clicks. Call provider. Request with request accounts for injected wallets or initiate wallet connect session for mobile. This prompts the wallet UI. Explain to the user why permissions are needed to read addresses. Once allowed, save provider, signer, and account in your state and render the connected view. Also subscribe to accounts changed and chain changed events so you can update the app if the user switches accounts or networks. Make sure to refresh network-dependent data when that happens. You finish by validating the chain ID and ensuring the user is on the intended network. If not, prompt a chain switch or show a clear warning explaining the mismatch. Then implement robust error handling. Show friendly messages, allow retry with exponential backoff, and provide a disconnect button that clears stored state. If things go wrong, tell the user to restart the wallet extension, rescan the Wallet Connect QR, or clear site data. This resolves most stuck connection states and gets them back on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.